Hi children, good morning. Take page number 29, the lesson number 10. So what is the title of the lesson, children? Types of houses. Children, you know that we stay in our house, but animals are not. So if you will observe, different types of houses are there. Am I right or wrong? See children, in your class so many people are there, so many children are there, each one is having different type of house. Now in this lesson we are going to learn, so what are the types of houses and how the houses are made. Now here see, let's warm up. Spot and circle the things that are making the room untidy. Untidy means dirty or not in an order. Okay, not clean. The meaning of untidy is not clean. Not clean. So now what you have to do? Spot and circle the things in this figure. In this figure, spot and circle the things that makes the room untidy. House protects us from heat, rain, wind, dust and animals. So house protect us from heat, rain, wind, dust and animals. Okay. So if you will see children, in a house we have so many rooms, like 2 rooms or 3 rooms, even 1 room also it makes a house. But if during summer, if you will observe outside, it is very hot due to scorching sun. So what you will do? You will stay in your house and you will switch on the fans or ACs, so that house protects us from heat. And when coming to the rainy season or any season, occasional rains or not occasional rains, the rain will be falling. So when you are on the road, what you will do? You will go to the place where you have the roof. So that means if house is there, that house protects us from rain. Coming to the wind. So wind is nothing but it's a air. So when a heavy air blows from high region to the low region, that is called as wind. So when you feel that the wind during the October or November, December, these 3 months, even January also, it's very cold outside. So in order to protect that from cold, you will stay in the house. So house protects us from wind. Next one, dust. Children, if you stay in your house, you will be very neat and very clean. If you go outside in the dust, okay, the dust will be entering into our body and makes untidy. So house protects us from dust. And let's come for the animals. Even if you observe, so many animals are there on the road and in our surroundings. If house is not there, these animals will come to you. The snakes and the dangerous animals also come to you, and they may cause harm to you. So if house is there, you will be protected from these animals. So house protects us from heat, rain, wind, dust and animals. There are many kinds of houses. So there are many kinds of houses. There are many kinds of houses. So let's see what are the different kinds of houses. First one, Kacha house. What is this, children? Kacha house. Second one, Pakka house. Second one is Pakka house. Third one is temporary house. Third one is temporary house. Fourth one is permanent house. So these are the 4 types of houses. What is the first one, children? Kacha house. Second one, Pakka house. Third one, temporary house. Fourth one, permanent house. So these are the 4 different type of houses. Now let's see the first one, Kacha house. Okay. Children, let's see the first one, Kacha house. Kacha house is made of mud. Kacha house is made of mud, wood, straw, and bamboo. Okay. You know that mud and the wood is from the plants and the straw also and even bamboo. See, the first figure is the Kacha house. Such houses are usually seen in villages and in small towns. So these houses are usually seen in villages and small towns. These are usually seen in villages and small towns. Which one? This Kacha house is made up of mud, wood, straw and bamboo. What is straw? The dry grass is called straw and bamboo. And this Kacha house is seen in villages and in small towns. And these are also called as huts. These are also called as huts, children. So once again I repeat, Kacha house is made up of mud, wood, straw and bamboo. These are seen in villages and small towns. These are even called as huts. These are even called as huts. Okay. Children, now see Pakka house. Pakka house is made up of bricks. Pakka house is made up of bricks, cement, wood and iron. Okay. So Pakka house is made up of bricks, cement, wood and iron. Kacha house is made up of, already I told you, mud, straw. Next one is bamboo and wood. Whereas Pakka house is made up of bricks, you know, children. Okay. Bricks, cement, wood and iron. And next one, see here. They are stronger than Kacha house. This Pakka house is stronger than Kacha house. Pakka house is stronger than Kacha house, and people in cities and towns live in Pakka house. So people in cities and towns live in Pakka house. Kacha house we see in villages and in small towns, but people who are living in cities and towns live in Pakka house. It is stronger than the Kacha house. Why? Because it is made up of bricks, cement, wood and iron. Okay. Children, now you can see the figures here. Bangla, apartment, double-stored building, multi-stored building. Bangla is a Pakka house. Apartment is also Pakka house, which is made up of bricks, cement, wood and iron. Even double-stored. Double-stored means one house is on another house, which is called as duplex here. And this is multi-stored. Multi-stored means many. So all these 4 like bangla, apartment, double-stored and multi-story buildings are made up of the 4 items, that is brick, cement, wood and iron. That is why these are come under Pakka house. Now let's go for temporary house. The third one is temporary house. Houses that can be shifted easily. Houses that can be shifted easily. Houses that can be shifted easily are called temporary house. So, tents, caravan, this is caravan, tents, caravans, houseboats. So, these three, the tent, caravan and houseboats, these three we can shift easily from one place to another place. That is why they are temporary. So, here temporary house means the houses that can be shifted easily are called temporary house. Tents, caravans, houseboats. Tents, caravans and houseboats.